Hi, I'm Sophie, and this is Leah. Today is Thursday, April 16th, and we are going to be the ones telling you the weekly news. First of all, we have the joke of the week. What kind of cow wears a crown?
What?
Dairy Queen, moo. Now that we're done with that, it's time to tell you the news of the week.
Wait, in a minute, can we tell you the character of the week?
Fine.
Drumroll, please. Patrick from SpongeBob.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a star.
Oh yeah, I know that guy, but can we get to the news?
Yeah, now on a serious note, as many of you guys know, Punch the Monkey, he was born on July 2025 and he was abandoned shortly after birth.
But he was adopted by another monkey.
Oh, that's cool. Did you hear about Jackie and Shadow?
Yes, I did. I was so excited when I heard 2 of their eggs hatched. Did you know that eagle eggs only have a 50% chance of hatching? There will also be a family outdoor school meeting.
Tuesday, April 21st, beginning at 6. There will be a family information meeting about outdoor school. If you're thinking about attending outdoor school, this will be necessary.
Baseball and softball We'll be traveling to Saya on the 20th and to Blanchette on the 21st, and the track team will have a meet on the 22nd.
The school fundraiser has ended. If you still haven't turned in your forms and money, be sure to do that today.
There will be no pet corner this week because nobody has submitted their animal. Please submit your animal for a pet corner. That's all for the CMS broadcast. Bye. Come on, you're lying.
Start from the beginning.
It's you. Oh, wait, we're starting from the beginning.
Yes. Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me cry.
Oink, oink.
Okay, go.
That says, yeah.
6 to 7.
Beginning at 6.